Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to easily create a smooth shake transitions in CapCut. So first you need to import your clips. Here I'm only using two, but you can always add more if you want. And after that you can just click on the transition box here in between the clips. Now go to camera and then select the shake transition. Okay, this one, and here you can just adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.6 seconds. Click on a check icon and now click on the second clip. Go to animations and then under the in category find the rock vertically animations. Okay, this one's right here. Then you can just adjust it to your liking. I'm going to just go with 0.9 seconds, and now you are done with the smooth shake transition like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.